Imagine a torment that knows no end. Not for a year, not for a century, but for a staggering 100 billion years by Earth's count. Deep within the darkest, most bottomless pit of hell, a being lies trapped inside a chest of fire. Every single moment, his flesh is incinerated into ash, only to be regrown so the agony can begin anew. He tries to scream, but only thick, scorching smoke escapes his throat. This is the cursed Iblis. Today, what remains of his once towering arrogance? After eons of burning in the fires of Jahannam, what is the state of Satan now? Why does he crave a death that will never come? In today's video, we will use the light of the Quran to unveil the terrifying story of the final end of Iblis. Once, Iblis was the teacher of angels, his form radiant and bright. But today, after eons of burning in the heart of hell's inferno, he is unrecognizable. According to the Hadith, the bodies of the dwellers of hell will be made colossal so they may taste the full intensity of the punishment. Iblis's body is now the size of a mountain. His eyes melt from their sockets, and his entire being has turned as black as charred coal. His greatest torment, however, will be his absolute isolation. In this world, he commanded vast legions of demons, but today he sits alone in a suffocating chest of fire. There is no air, only toxic, stinging smoke. When he gasps in desperate thirst, scalding molten copper is poured over his head. Occasionally, Allah will bring Iblis out of that chest and parade him before the common dwellers of hell. This will be his moment of ultimate humiliation. Those who followed him in the worldly life, tyrants like Pharaoh and Nimrod, and countless sinners, will lunge at him the moment they see him. They will scream in rage, "You are the reason we are here. We will tear you apart." The once arrogant leader of this world will be despised like a stray dog. He will beg the angels for mercy, but no one will help him. The same Iblis who whispers in your ear today, "You can pray later," will be the one who turns his back on you and ignores you on that day. At one point in hell, Iblis will deliver his final speech. In Surah Ibrahim, verse 22, Allah mentions this very moment. He will look at his followers and declare, "Allah gave you a true promise, and I gave you false hopes. Today, Allah has kept his word, and I have broken mine. Do not blame me today. Blame yourselves. Did I force you into sin by your hands? No. I only beckoned you, and you came running." Hearing these words, the hearts of the dwellers of hell will shatter. They will realize that the one for whom they abandoned, Allah, has now utterly betrayed them. Iblis held on to a faint, desperate hope that perhaps after eons of agony, death would finally find him and grant him release. But his most terrifying moment is yet to come. On that day between paradise and hell, death itself will be brought forth in the form of a ram and slaughtered before everyone's eyes. A proclamation will echo, "O dwellers of paradise, you shall remain forever. There is no more death. O dwellers of hell, you shall remain forever. There is no more death." Upon hearing this, Iblis will begin to gnaw at his own flesh in a fit of madness. He will cry out, "O Allah, make me non-existent, turn me into dust!" But his screams will only strike the walls of eternity and echo back to him, unheard. This story of Iblis is no fairy tale. It is the absolute truth. He does not want to go to hell alone. He wants to take you with him. As long as your heart is still beating, the door of repentance remains open. Do not let Satan's sweet deceptions ruin your afterlife. Allah is the most merciful. Perhaps today's video is the turning point your life needs. Let us seek forgiveness today and return to the path of Allah. To protect yourself from the deceptions of Satan and to build your character according to the Sunnah. Get your copy of this book today, based on the profound teachings of Sheikh Zulfikar Ahmad Naqshbandi. The Ideal Muslim Life provides a complete guideline on becoming an ideal father, husband, and son. The book is now available worldwide on Amazon.